Let's make a Wi-Fi robot and control using an app in Play Store. The needed components are Node MCU, ESP8266, L298 and motor driver, robot chassis, LM2596 DC to DC buck converter, 7.4 volt LiPo battery and jumper wires. Make the circuit as shown in the diagram. After that, download the Arduino code from the link given in the description. Open the file from Arduino IDE. Now, let's look at the code. Type the SSID and the password of your Wi-Fi network on the code. Now, the code is ready. Disconnect the power input pins of the Node MCU. Connect the Node MCU to the PC using a USB to micro USB data cable. Go to Tools and select the board as Node MCU 0.9 and select the respective port. Click the Upload button. After uploading, go to the serial monitor and change the settings in the bottom right corner as shown. Then an IP address can be seen in the serial monitor. Record it. Remove the USB cable and connect the power input pins of the Node MCU. Now connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network that the Node MCU is connected. Install the Navabot app from the Play Store. Link to the app is given in the description. Open the app and enter the IP address that you recorded from the serial monitor. Now we are done with the setup. Let's have some fun.